We're live.
Really cool.
Like I had to run down to the beach.
Yeah. I don't know if you should be really cool young guys don't think about being
Yeah, they do.
I don't know.
They do have benches there.
Last one, Derby. Ooh, that one's too hot.
I've been wondering as I drive by, Andy, if you'd like a continuation of the driftwood fence right along.
Right over there. It's right over there. I don't know if he cut his tongue.
He's scared.
Yeah.
Like,
right here.
Oh, over there?
Yeah, right.
Right there?
Yeah, leave the two-car parking lot about where the brush used to be.
Here you go.
Just,
One more.
you could actually put a little vegetable garden this side of it.
Well, I heard...
Good boy, Derby.